I wrote this song at a time where I was just looking back at everything that I had lost, and it was just an overwhelming feeling. So I had to put it down on paper and had to put it down in music, and it just kind of helped free me from certain things. And anyway, it's just about a situation and my family. So anyway, I pray you guys like it. We had so many memories and life pictures they're staring back at me. Can I press pause or can they slow down so I can breathe, so I don't drown? Where did it go, the love we had? Is it too far gone to get it back? Why don't you know where to go? And why can't you just come back home? Why can't you just come back home? We saw their smiling faces every morning, yet we continued sinning despite our warnings. Some say sin costs, oh, I'd say it's true. Look at what we've lost, I'd say we paid our dues. Where did they go, the dreams we had? You said we'd grow old, you said we'd last. Why don't you know where to go? And why can't you just come back home? I feel your heartbeat next to mine, and when I go to sleep, you're on my mind. I wish I could press stop, or at least slow down, but I can't breathe without you around. Where did they go, the things we had? You tell me now and I'll go get it back. Why don't you know where to go? And why can't you just come back home? Where did it go, the love we had? You said we'd grow old, you said we'd last. Why don't you know where to go? And why can't you just come back home? Yeah, why can't you just come back